Ashwin, in our last classes we have discussed about the topic product of two vectors. जहाँ पे हमने स्केलर प्रोडक्ट की बात की थी वहाँ पे हमने देखा था कि हमारा स्केलर प्रोडक्ट कैसे डिफाइन होता है. वेक्टर ए डॉट बी इज गिवन बाय मॉडुलस ऑफ ए वेक्टर ए एंड मॉडुलस ऑफ वेक्टर बी इनटू कोस थीटा वेयर थीटा इज एंगल बिटवीन आवर टू वेक्टर्स एंड द थीटा इज लाइज बिटवीन 0 to 180 डिग्री. देन उसके बाद हमने प्रॉपर्टीज़ की बात की थी डॉट प्रोडक्ट की प्रॉपर्टीज़ पे, जहाँ पे हमारे गिवन टू वेक्टर्स वेक्टर ए एंड वेक्टर बी परपेंडिकुलर्स वेक्टर ए डॉट बी अगर जीरो हैं इट्स अ कंडीशन फॉर टू वेक्टर्स परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. फिर देन उसके बाद हमने स्केलर कंपोनेंट्स के टर्म्स में कंडीशंस निकाली थी लास्ट क्लासेस में. व्हेन वी हैव a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 equal to 0. Where what is our a1 a2 a3 is what? It's a component of scalar component of vector a. b1 b2 b3 is what? Scalar component of vector b. Then this is condition for our two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Then when we have a1 by b1 equal to a2 by b2 is equal to a3 by b3 equal to some lambda. This is the condition for being the two vectors are parallel to each other there. Now look, from our last topic we have discussed our concept of product of two vectors, in which we have discussed a dot product there. Then in this video we are just going to be do some problems based on our scalar product or dot product there. And start with we are going to start with some problems based on our scalar product there. Then we start with our, one of the basic question there. What we have now look, we have given up vector there. If vector A is what we have given, if our vector is given there, if our vector is given by 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap, it's given there 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus sorry it's only k cap, and vector b is given by 2 I cap plus 3 j cap, 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. Now we have to find your vector a dot b. Then now look, we are going to find vector a dot b. It's what? 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap dot 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. We can also write that 0 k cap because we have not a component of k in the vector b there. Now look, how can we define our product of component there in our last topic? Then it's what? a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Then what? It's a multiply with 3 into 2 plus minus 2 into this 3 plus here is 1 and here is 0. Now what is our value of 3 into 2? 6. We get here 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus minus 6 plus 1 into 0 0 means we get 6 minus 6 0, means the product of our vector a dot b is 0. What is the meaning of vector a dot b? We get 0 here, means we can say that our these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. These two vectors are our perpendicular to each other. Then next find we have to find the product of vector a plus 3b. We have to find the product of vector a plus 3b dot 2a minus b dot vector 2a minus b. If given that we have given if vector a and vector b is given there. If our vector a is given by I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap, I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap, and b is what? 3 I cap plus 2 j cap and minus k cap. Now look, we have to find the values of what? Vector a plus 3 times vector b is into 2 vector of a minus b. Then to get product of this, then first of all we have to find out the values there. Then now vector a plus 3 times b dot 2a minus b. Now we are going to put the values there. What is vector a plus 3b? It's our a, means I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, and then we are going to plus 3 times b. Then what do we have? 9i cap plus 6j cap minus 3k cap. Then here we get 2a. What is our 2a? It's a 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap and minus b. Then we have minus 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Now we have, first of all, we are going to solve this. And now what we have? I cap plus 9i cap. What we get? We get 10i cap here. J and plus 6j. We get 7j cap minus 2k minus 3 minus 5k cap. Then here we have 2i minus 3i. What we get? We get minus i cap, 2j cap minus 2j plus 2 minus 2. We get 0 there, and we can write down plus 0 j cap plus k minus 4. We get minus 3k cap. Now look, after solving, what we have? We have to find a product there. Then it's a 10 and it's what? It's a minus 1. 10 into minus 1 plus 7 into 0, then plus minus 5 into minus 3. Now look, we get here minus 10, we get 7 into 0, 0, and minus minus plus 15. Then after solving, we get the value of our vector a plus 3b dot 2 times vector a minus b is what? We get the value of is what? It's equal to 5 there. We can again look. We are again going to we have to find here we have to find the vector a plus 3b. We have to find the value of we have to find the value of vector a plus 3b dot 2a minus b, and it's given that vector is given by I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, and vector b is given by 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Then here first of all we have taken the a plus 3b. We write down a I cap plus j cap minus 2 cap, I cap plus j cap minus 2 cap plus 3b. Then plus 3 3 is 9i cap, 3 2 is 6j cap minus 3k cap. Then 2a, 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap. Then minus b, then we have to change the sign of this, minus 3i cap minus 2j cap and minus plus k cap. Then look, 9i cap plus I cap, 10i cap, 6j cap plus j cap plus 7j cap minus 3 cap and minus 2 cap. We get minus 3 minus 2 minus 5k cap. Then here we have 2i cap minus 3i cap. We get minus I cap plus 2j cap minus 2j cap. We get 0 there. Minus 4k plus k. We get minus 3 cap. Then we have to take product. Then 10 into minus 1. We get minus 10. Then 0 into 7. We get 0 there. Then we have minus 5 into minus 3. Then we get minus plus 15. Then we get the values of this is what? Vector a plus 3b dot 2a, vector 2a minus b is equal to 5. This is our required answer. Now look up. Then let's take another example to you to clarify you now. Look, we have done only dot product, the problems related with the dot product today in the class. That I'm going to take another question to you. Look up. Now here what we have given there. If our vector a and vector b given there are perpendicular to each other, then find the value of lambda. Now look what is given there. In our next question we have given two vectors a and b. Our vector a is given by 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and vector b is given by 3i cap plus 2j cap minus lambda cap. It's given there. What is given there? Vector a and b are perpendicular. Then find lambda. Now look, we have given two vectors a and b, and it's given there. These two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Then we have to find the value of lambda here. then since vector A and vector B are perpendicular to each other, then what is the condition to being two vectors are perpendicular? Then we have what we have? We have vector A dot B is what? 0. Then look, what is your vector A? It's a 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap dot 3i cap plus 2j cap minus lambda k cap is equal to 0. And what do we have? We have 2 into 3, 2 into 3 6 plus 3 to 6 plus 4 into minus 4 lambda equal to 0, means minus 4 lambda is equal to minus 12, then lambda is equal to 3. Then we get the value of lambda is what? It's a 3. The value of lambda is 3. Now look up. I'm going to revise you. What is given that we have two vectors A and B? We have given that vector A and B are perpendicular to each other. Then we have to find the value of lambda. Then look, we have vector A and B are perpendicular to each other. Then what is the condition to being our two vectors to be perpendicular to each other? Then vector A dot vector B is equal to 0 there. Then what do? We have put the value 2i cap plus, look, we can solve in this manner. Also, we have used our condition there. From here we can also solve in another way, because we have read the condition. What is A1 A2? Then what we have? We have A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. Also we have seen this is condition for when we have a component there, scalar component there of two vectors. Then we have what we have the condition that it's A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. For being two vectors 0 there. Then the value of A1, this is our A1 A2 A3, this is our B1 B2 B3. A1 into A2, 3 into 2, 6, plus B1 into B2, plus 3 into 2, 6, plus C1 into C2, means minus 4 into lambda, minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Minus 4 lambda is equal to 6 plus 6, 12. Then we again get the value of lambda is 3. And you can solve it by any way. Take vector A dot B 0, or you can also take the A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0 to get the values of lambda there. Now, in our next question, what we have given there, if our vector A and vector B are unit vectors, vector A and vector B are given that it's given here, or vector A and vector B are unit vectors, then what is the angle between vector A and vector B? Then we have to find the angle between vector A and vector B for, it's given there for under root 3 vector A minus B. It's given that for vector 3a minus 2 to be a unit vector. Look, it's given in the problem. Look, listen very carefully, because it's a little bit of थोड़ा सा ये प्रॉब्लम आपका कॉन्सेप्चुअल बेस पे बेटा, देन इसको प्लीज़ आप ध्यान से देखिए. अभी क्या दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में कि आपका जो वेक्टर ए है वेक्टर बी, ये दोनों यूनिट वेक्टर्स हैं. हमें एंगल्स निकालनी है, एंगल ए और बी के साथ, और साथ में दिया हुआ है जो हमारा अंडर रूट 3a माइनस बी है, ये एक यूनिट वेक्टर है. अभी कैसे यहाँ पे एंगल्स निकालेंगे, उसके लिए हमें थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट ध्यान समझिएगा. हम आते हैं फिर से अपने डॉट प्रोडक्ट पे, जहाँ पे हम वेक्टर ए डॉट बी की बात कर रहे थे. देन वी हैव मॉड ऑफ ए मॉड ऑफ बी एंड कॉस थीटा, वेयर थीटा इज एंगल बिटवीन वेक्टर एंड बी. जब हमारा वेक्टर ए और बी ये दोनों सेम वेक्टर हो जाते हैं, तो उस केस में व्हाट वी हैव वेक्टर ए डॉट वेक्टर ए मॉड ऑफ ए मॉड ऑफ बी, वेक्टर सेम होंगे तो द एंगल बिटवीन दिस वेक्टर्स आर व्हाट, इट्स 0 देयर and cos 0 is 1. Now what we have vector a square is what given by, now look, To solve this problem, you have to be kept in your mind that what is vector A dot A. What is the meaning? Vector A dot A is or vector A square is given by magnitude of A square. Then we are going to use this concept here. We have to be so that we have to find the angle between this A and B. Find the angle between A and B. We have given that our vector A and vector B are unit vectors, and also forming a vector under root 3A minus B is also a unit vector there. Then to solve the angle, to get the angle between these vectors A and B, we are going to use the same concept here. Now look, we have a 3A minus B, then we are going to start with what we take? We take the square of the given vector under root 3A minus B square. Means what is the meaning of this? Then it's meaning root 3A minus B dot root 3A minus B. What is the meaning of the square? Then now from here what we have? We have root 3A whole square plus B whole square and plus 2 root 3A into B. Sorry, it's a minus there. Then we have a minus there. Now look. Now we have what is, we can also write when a mod of k vector A, then it's a modulus of k and then A square. Then what we have here, we root 3 square is what we get 3 into A square plus mod of B square minus what we get minus 2 into root 3 vector. Now this is A dot B. This is our A dot B. Then look, we have this is our A square. Just we have get that A square. What is our A square is given by magnitude of A cap square there. We get A cap magnitude of A square. Now look, what is given there? This is given it's your unit vector there. Then from this A square, it's equal to the modulus of A square, and it's given its magnitude is what 1. Since we get here in our left hand side from this condition we get 1 square because our vector under root 3A minus B given a unit vector there. Now look, also given A and B are unit vector there. Then 1 square is equal to what? Its value is also 1. 3 into 1 1 plus this is 1 minus 2 root 3. But what about vector A dot B? We get mod of A, mod of B and cos theta, because this is our vector A dot B defined as mod of A, mod of B, cos theta. Now we have 1. We have here 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3, again magnitude of vector this, since these are unit vectors 1, then 2 root 3 into cos theta. Then what we have? We have minus 2 root 3 cos theta is equal to minus 3. Then cos theta is equal to given by 3 upon 2 root 3. And we get cos theta is what? We get the value of cos theta is what? Root 3 by 2. When it's a root 3 by 2? When our cos theta is root 3 by 2, it implies the value of theta is what? 30 degree. The value of theta is what? It's our 30 degree. Then look, now we get our angle between these two vectors. Then again, I'm going to revise. Look what we have given there. In this problem, we have given there vector A and vector B are unit vectors. And I find the angle between vector A and vector B for given under root 3 A minus B. This vector is given a unit vector. Then we start with our concept to find out the angle between them. We have to take the square of our root 3A minus B square is what given by root 3A minus B dot root 3A minus B. Now then we have taking dot plot there. Then we have A minus B whole square is what A square plus B square minus 2AB. Then it's written as 3 mod of A square B square minus 2 root 3 vector A dot B. Since it's given there, this is our unit vector, then its value square is what? By the, we have, since our A square is given equal to modulus of A square, then we get the value 1 there. 1 square equal to 3, again the A and B are also unit vector, then put the values of 1 1 here. 3 into 1 3 plus 1 minus root 3. And vector a dot b is what? It's given by definition mod of a mod of b cos theta. Again we get the value 1 there, then we get 2 root 3 cos theta, 3 plus 1 4, 1 equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 cos theta, or minus 2 root 3 cos theta equal to minus 3, cancel out minus there, then cos theta equal to root 3 upon, 3 upon 2 root 3, and after solving we get the value of cos theta is root 3 by 2, hence our given angle is what? It's only happen when it's a 30 degree, because we have to take the only angles, theta angles between what? 0 to 180 degree. Then now we get the angles in the given problem. Then move to our next question. Now look, in next question what is given them? If dot product of a vector with vectors, we have given it. If the dot product of a vector with vector 3i cap minus 5k cap, 3i cap minus 5k cap. If dot product of a vector with vector, then first vector, then again given 2i cap plus 7j cap, and also I plus j plus k cap. Dot product of vector with vector 3i cap minus 5k cap, 2i cap plus 7j cap, and I cap plus j cap plus k cap are respectively minus 1, 6 and 5. Then find the vectors. Now look, what is given in the problem there? It's given that we have 3 vectors, 3i cap minus 5 cap, k cap, 2i cap plus 7j cap, and I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Dot product of vector, there is one vector, there is another vector there. When we are going to take the dot product with this and this, then we get the values is what? It's a minus 1, 6 and 5. Then look, then we get, we have to find out the unknown vector there. Let the required vector we are going to take is what? It's a ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Because we don't know what is our vector there, then we let's suppose that our required vector is what? It's a what? ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Then what is given to our according to question? Dot product is given by it's minus 1, 6 and 5. When we are going to take the product with ai cap with this, then ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, taking dot product with this 3i cap minus 5k cap is given what? Minus 1. Also what? Also we have given ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap dot with 2i cap plus 7j cap is equal to given 6. Also ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap dot product with I cap plus j cap plus 6 plus k cap is given 5. Now look, what is given in the problem there? It's given that dot product of a vector with vectors are respectively minus 1, 6 and 5. We have taken the vector ai cap plus bj cap plus c cap, then we take the dot product over this with this, then we get dot 3i cap minus 5k cap equal to minus 1 given ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap with 2i cap plus 7j cap, it's given 6, and the product with this ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap is what? I cap plus j cap plus k cap is what? It's 5 there. Now when we are going to solve this, now what do we have? 3 into a. After solving this, we get 3 into a, 3a. It's not a j there, then b into 0, it's a 0. Then only we have a k here, then minus 5c. Then minus 5c is equal to minus 1. Take this question number 1. What do we get? 3a minus 5c is equal to minus 1. Now we are going to solve this power. From here, what we get? 2a Now like 7 into b plus 7b, here is not k there, then it's 0, c into 0, 0 is equal to what? It's given 6. This is our equation number 2. What we get? We get here 2a plus 7b is equal to 6. Now we are going to solve this, our third equation. Then obviously a plus b plus c, because a into 1a, b into 1b, c into 1, we get 5. This is our equation number 3. Now look, we have 3 unknowns here and also 3 equations there. Obvious, we have 3 unknowns, then we can solve these 3 equations there. And look, what we are going to take the equations. Look, it's a b, c. Then we are going to from here we have it's a equation in what 3a is equal to, we are going to put the, since it's a and b, then we are going to be put the value of c from here. From here what we get the value of c, we get minus 5c is equal to minus 1 minus 3a, and then the value of c is what, we get 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5a. What do we get? 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5a. From here we get the value of c and going to the put here. Then our a plus b plus at the place of c what we put? 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5a is equal to 5. Now we are going to solve this. Then 5a plus 8a, we get 8a upon 5 plus b is equal to 5 minus 1 by 5, then we get 25 minus 1, then we get 24 by 5. This take this is what, equation number 4. Now we get in the terms of a and b. Here what we get, here our equation is what, 2a plus 7b. 2a plus 7b is equal to 6. This is our equation number 2. Now look, we are going to use our elimination method there. Then look, we have it's what we are going to eliminate our a there, 8 by 5. How can we get 8 by 5? Multiply with this equation by 4 by 5. We are going to multiply with by 4 by 5. Then our equation is what? It's 8a by 5 plus 4 by 5 means 28 by 5b equal to 24 upon 5. 6 4 24 5. Now it's a 2 prime. And our equation is what? 8a by 5 plus b is equal to 24 by 5. Then we have to subtract it. Now look, here we get 24 minus 24 5, then we get 0. What we are going to solve here? Look, we get the value of b is what? It's don't need to be solving. What is the value we get? We get the value of b is what? Because we get here 0 in our right hand side. And now we get the value of b is what? 0. We get the value of vector b is what? 0. Then putting the value here in our 2, our b is 0, then what is the value of our a is what? 3. We get the value of a is 3. We get the value of b is 0. 3 plus 0 plus c equal to 5. Then the value of c is what? 2. We get the value of a, b, c, 3, 0 and 2. Then what is our vector? Then our required vector is what? It's a 3 I cap, b is 0, then it's a 0, c is 2 k cap. This is our required vector when we are going to take the product with our 3 I cap minus 5 k cap and 2 I cap plus 7 j cap plus I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and then we get our required is what? Minus 1, 6 and 5. Look again, we are given that we have 3 vectors there, and it's given that when we are going to take a dot product with 3 vectors from unknown vector, then we get a value minus 1, 6 and 5. Then we suppose that our given vector is what? It's a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap. Then we are going to be, take dot product with, according to question, we have minus 1. With this we have 6. With the multiply with this third vector we get 5. Then we find out the equations in the terms of a, b, c. It's a 3a minus 5c equal to minus 1, 2a plus 7b equal to 6, a plus b plus c equal to 5. After solving these equations, we get the value of what? A is 3, b is 0 and c is 2. then we are going to put the values of a, b, c in our required vectors. We get our required vector is what? It's given by 3 I cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, then I hope so all of you are understand what is the problem we have discussed today. Then please get through all the problems and properly revise it. Thanks to all.